Hey teachers, I want to give you a few tips today on how to better engage your students while online. One thing that I like to do is to use microconferencing. Microconferencing is a way to easily engage your students in your online lessons in less than a minute. By adding 1 minute to the end or the beginning of your lesson with a well-organized and focused conference, with just one student is a great way to get that student to be engaged in your lessons from then on in. In this 1 minute conference, you need to come prepared and be laser focused. You should have at hand not only the material that you want to go over with the student, maybe it's the student's work or maybe it's a problem that he didn't get right, but also with a solution to the issue or problem that you are going over. And finally, make sure that you end the microconference on a positive feedback. If you don't end on a positive, the student will leave feeling more frustrated than when he began. And if you end on a positive, the student will be that much more likely to be engaged in your next online lesson. So good luck, and I hope you use this tip.